Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making chain buttons for shirts and tops. We'll be needing 4 buttons and 3 rivet sets. These stud rivets, some of them come in short shank, some have longer shanks. This one is 10mm shank and I love it. So as you can see, it has double cap, and the fourth one will be using a brooch pin for it. I'll be flattening it because it's double cap. I wanted single cap, but I couldn't get it in long shank, so I got this double cap. So in order to make sure that it glues and stays, I'm gonna flatten it. Now when I say single cap, this is what I mean. The upper side has a cap, then the under it is flat, means it's single cap, but this one is double cap. So I will need to flatten it to make sure that it glues tight. So now you have your 4 buttons with three rivets on their cap. Don't forget, you only flatten one side of the cap where you will be gluing, then the other side you leave it like that. Just watch. If you'll be using this glue, you need to hold it for a while to make sure that it sticks properly before you leave it. Then it's also good to leave it for a while to dry up. Then the fourth button is the one we'll be using a brooch pin to hold. Okay, now we have the 3 buttons with 3 rivets, and we have the 4th one with brooch. You can use the double twisted chain or you can use this one, any one that works for you, but make sure that the opening is big enough to let the rivets pass through. Now the interval could be 3.5 inches interval or 4 inches. You know, this time I want to do 4 inches. I have always done 3.5. You pass the already dried button through the chain. Use the rivet to pass through the chain. Pick up the cap and cover it. Secure it with a plier. Then you move on to the next button. You measure 4 inches. You do the same as you did before. You do the same with the third button. When you are all done, then the fourth one, which has the brooch pin, you don't need to do 4 inches. It can be 5, it can be 6, you know, no matter how long you want it, but definitely not more than 6.5 inches because that would be too long for a shirt. You get the edge of that pin of the chain, pass it through the pin, like under it, to make sure you secure it whichever way you can do it, but make sure the edge of that chain is secured to the brooch, that it does not go off. If you need to glue it, you glue it. But first of all, you could get a jump ring, very tiny jump ring to pass through it. You can also, secure it more with your glue to make sure it stays firm. When you are sure you already have what you want and it's firm and clean, then you can move on to clean the rest of it. Use something like a glue cleaner or something. Clean it, make it clean. You see the way it looks? I made a couple of colors. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, share this video, encourage us, and come back for more. See ya. Bye bye.